welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday and I have a few brand collaborations to shoot for, and I asked you guys over my Instagram that if you would be interested in watching how I come up with the creative ideas and the whole process of basically shooting and editing. So yeah, I thought of taking you guys along with me. Since it's Corona time, I'm not going outside, so yeah, I have to get creative around my house. So yeah, that's what I'll do. So yeah, I thought of taking you guys along with me, but first I'm gonna make myself a smoothie because I am starving. So yeah, let's make breakfast and get started. So good. So I got these new mason jars especially for drinking my smoothies, and yeah, I'll link it down below for you guys. I feel like it looks so cute. Also, I have been freezing my bananas lately and I feel like it's perfect for smoothies because it makes smoothie creamier and naturally sweeter, and this is also great for smoothie bowls, and I have quite a lot of recipes of smoothie bowls over my page, so I'll leave the link in the description box. And also I have quite a lot of bananas over there, so I'm gonna cut it and freeze it, and I feel like it's really great, especially during this time of the year. Yeah, you just freeze your bananas and it's always available to you for your smoothies. Okay, so the brand for which I have to create the ad is Earth Breeze, and it's basically laundry detergent eco sheets. And oh my god, this one smells so good. I wish you could smell through the camera. So how I approach any brand shoot is, first I try to know about the brand, like what they stand for, what is their motto, and like basically everything in and out about the brand before approaching any shoot, because I want to tell a story through my photos. For me, it gets really easy because I just don't say yes to any brands approaching to me. I only work with the brands whose brand value is aligned with my own personal brand. So yeah, I really like this brand because it's like eco-friendly sheets. I do have used their products before, and when they approached me, I was like, yay, I will work with you, why not? So yeah, it also says that every purchase is helping stop 700 million plastic jugs from reaching landfills and oceans every year. Thank you for making a difference. So yeah, I feel like that's brilliant. And yeah, it's eco-friendly, easy to use, deep cleaning and non-toxic. So yeah, that is what I personally stand for. I stand for all the natural stuff, non-toxic living, and basically having a great lifestyle. So I will first brainstorm the ideas, like what could be done, because I do want to tell a story through my pictures. So what kind of story I want to tell. So the first idea will be I can shoot in front of my washer and dryer, but I feel like that's way too generic and almost everybody does that. So yeah, I don't want to do that. I want to do something creative, fun and unique. So I do have to like think of few ideas which I can do.
A few moments later.
First, just let me think about the elements. Like, since it's a laundry detergent sheet, there will be clothes, hamper, washer dryer, but I don't want to do the shoot in front of washer dryer. So yeah, I'll cut this off. What else? What else I can do? Brainstorming does take a lot of time to think of creative ideas. Yeah, it's worth it because at the end, when you come up with the great picture, you are happy and the brand is happy. And yeah, I feel good. So I took a lot of time and thought through everything and what could be done inside my house. So I'm thinking of doing a shoot where like there is a string and there are clothes and I'm standing. Like, it's really hard to explain, but let me draw it and show you. My drawing is not that great, but I'll try. Let's just think that this square is a frame. I will have a string like this. Dresses. Oh god, I messed up, but it's fine. Will be here or maybe in my hands, like we'll see when filming. Things really change while filming. Okay you guys, so I came up with this idea. Look at my drawing, how terrible, but yeah, it will work. I hope it conveys what I'm trying to say. I'll do a string like this and I will hang a few clothes and dresses like this, and I will be standing behind a dress like so, and the basket. Where is the basket? Here. Yeah, and I'll put a basket having clothes in it because that will tell the story that somebody washed the clothes and they are hanging the clothes. I'm telling the story here in a very creative way because generally people will shoot in front of washer and dryer, and that is not what I'm going for because I want to do something creative. So I feel like this is great. I know my drawing doesn't do the justice, but I hope so that picture will be good. And the next step will be to collect all the props which is shown in this idea. So I'll have to have a string, the clips to hang the clothes. I need a basket and then clothes to put in this basket. So that is all the props which I need. So I'll go in my closet and find the dresses and pants to hang on the string, and I'll see you then. Clothes which I'm gonna hang on the string. Here is the basket. For the string, I do not have any proper string, but I think this will do. The clips to hang the clothes, I have this one. And I'm gonna do this shoot right over here, like in front of me there is a big wall, so I'm gonna do in front of that. I'll remove my chair which is in front of me, and yeah, I'll show you basically what I do. Okay, so as you can see, everything is like, I have moved everything out of my way and the wall is empty. And now I'm gonna put these two tripods, one over here, one over here, and then I'm gonna tie a string from here to here. Of course this will go up, and then I'll show you. Okay you guys, so the frame is set and I have hanged all the clothes, and here is the basket of clothes which I was talking about. This tripod was very clumsy, so I put the rice bag and my weights and everything just to make this thing stable, and this is how I'll be shooting. So I connected my camera with the MacBook so that I can see myself while I'm filming, and I do have a remote, so I'm gonna stand here in the back and just click a picture and I can see in the screen whether it's coming nice or not. So a little change in plan. Initially I planned to put this thing there, but the camera was not taking proper focus, so I am keeping it in my hands. Alright you guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this one and found this helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.